In this video, I will be teaching you 6 things that you can apply to your life that will make other people like you. The first way is to become genuinely interested in other people. What do you think the most frequently used word is in any conversation? If you guessed I, you are completely right. You see, everyone likes talking about themselves. What they do, what they want, what they need, what they like, who they met, blah 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 blah. If you want someone to like you, be genuinely interested in what they're talking about and what they have to say. I don't know anyone in this world who doesn't like someone who's willing to listen to them. Tip number 2 is to smile often. Your smile is charming, your smile is friendly, and your smile is delightful. Smiling indicates happiness, and people love being around other happy and optimistic people because it makes them feel better. When you smile at someone, it's like saying, I like you, you make me happy, I'm glad to see you. When you smile at someone, their natural reaction is to smile back, and this creates a lighthearted, friendly mood. This mood sets up the upcoming experience to be pleasant and enjoyable. People are attracted to the mood of happiness that you had created with your smile. Tip number 3 is to always remember a person's name and always refer to them by that name. To someone else's subconscious mind, their own name is the sweetest and most important sound in any language. When you remember someone's name, it shows that you value them, and people love this. When you remember someone's name and call them by that name, it makes them feel important, and this is exactly what it takes to make people like you. Tip number 4 is not only being a good listener, but encouraging others to talk about themselves. When you're talking to people, always try to talk in terms of their interests, what they like, because that will make them excited and love talking to you. For example, if you know someone loves playing football, maybe you should talk about, hey, what position do you play? Or what team do you like? Or what do you like most about the sport? If they're a really big football fan, they'll greatly enjoy talking about this subject. If they enjoy the conversation with you, they'll end up enjoying being with you. If you're an active listener and continue to talk about their interests, they'll end up liking you as a person. Tip number 6 is to always make others feel important. Desire to be important is the deepest urge in human nature. It's admiring them and complimenting them with sincerity. It's like going to someone's house and telling them they did a great job decorating and they have a great taste. Or commenting on someone's hobbies and telling them, wow, your hobbies are so lovely and interesting. Whatever it is, just focus on raising others' self-esteem and making them feel important. Just make sure your admiration is sincere. Otherwise, they will be able to tell that it's just fake and meaningless. The basic tip is that humans want people around them that make them feel happy. When you make other people feel good, they will like you and want to be around you more often. If you want more in-depth information on these tips, you can check out the book that I left in the top link in the description. Also, you can check out my YouTube channel, where I have plenty of videos that will help you build a better life.